Hey guys, it's Morgan and welcome to my living room. I am home recovering from my weight loss surgery. I'm in the first week and there's not a whole lot to do around here. So I actually just got my FabFitFun box and I wanted to open it with you. I love watching unboxings and like shopping is my thing. So I just kind of wanted to open it on camera and just share it with you because it's gonna be the highlight of my day. Home recovering, nothing to do but sip water, and yeah. So I'm super excited to open this because I can't remember exactly what I got. I did go in and customize my box, and I got a bunch of extra stuff that I added, and I can't even remember it. So it's gonna be like Christmas. Everybody's box is different because you do get to customize it, and you do get to do add-ons. And I don't think FabFitFun is for everybody. This video is not really to promote it. I don't really promote anything actually, but I've done unboxings of this before, I think, on my channel. I personally like it because I don't like the little sample ones. I think they're kind of like boring. This one I like. The thing I like the most about it is the add-ons because you get some really good prices on stuff that you already use, and it's cheaper than going to Ulta, and you can just add on stuff. And like there's stuff that I wanted to try, like I really wanted to try Orbay, and so like one time I got to order it and try it and give it a try. It's expensive and it's cheaper than at Ulta and Sephora. So this time I wanted to try this hair product called Perfect Hair Day. So instead of ordering it or getting it at the store, I got it in this, and I was super excited they offered it. I tried to get it last box, but they sell it really quickly, the add-ons, so I got it this time, and I'm super amped, and I'm really excited. So let's see what I got. And like I said, everybody's is different because you get to customize it to what you want. So it's like Christmas. My husband calls it a box of bullshit, but I like it. You get like 4 a year. And I actually got to give away like some boxes, so I did like a giveaway. And so on the top of this, you guys, is all of the add-ons I got, and then underneath it's the box. So let's do the add-ons first. Okay, this is, I guess the brand of it is Living Proof, but they have stuff called Perfect Hair Day. This is the Living Proof Restore Conditioner, and these are pretty expensive, guys, and that's why I love the add-ons, because I get like these promotional prices. It doesn't smell like anything special, but I'm super excited to try it. So here's the conditioner, here's the shampoo. I wonder if my receipt will be in here so I can, oh no. Guys, we have a leak. And it's definitely this product because I recognize the smell. So my Merit Cash Miracle Mask opened. So guess what? I'm definitely contacting them. I order from Amazon a lot, and that happens. Oh my god, you guys, it got all over my box. Okay, another brand that I was introduced to from FabFitFun is Grown Alchemist, and this is the face cleanser. I love it. I've never in a zillion years would have bought this herbally smelling grossness, but then I got a scrub and I got a moisturizer in the last one, and it smells like something your like cousin who's in college who thinks they're all that and they are vegetarian. This one smells like something they would use because it's like, you know, organic botanical beauty, but it works really good. And it's free of skin aging, toxins, and carcinogens, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, you see how light, simple, and basic. I never would have bought that. But I've used 2 of their products. I love them. So when I saw that, and I know what the regular price is, I was like, boom. It was like cheap. So I got it. I wanted it. Then I got some, wait, I have one more Living Proof. This is the Flex Hairspray. Got that. This is Living Proof, and this is the Blowout Heat Protection Spray. And like I said, the reason I can afford to get 4 is because it's so cheap when you get that comparatively. You know, it's like, they might be like $10 a piece, but at the store they're a lot more. So I feel more comfortable buying it that way. Percent pure argan oil, and it's by Marrakesh. And you know what, guys? It smells okay. I don't know if this is okay for your face, but I actually got it because I wanted to use. Yep, you can use it on your face. I got this because I like have this much more Josie Moran, and her bottles are $50 each. And I swear by Josie, so I wanted to try the Marrakesh because I like the Marrakesh brand line. I've used their hair products, and I'm just gonna kind of feel the consistency of this. I'll see how this goes, because I think that was like $10, and like versus the Josie Moran $50 like facial argan, 100% argan oil. I'm not really sure if I'm getting my $50, like if it's actually, you know, $50 or. I ordered these, they're Murad. I really like this brand. This is Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser, and I already have some Murad cleanser that I actually got, so I ordered some more. And this is the Invisibler Perfecting Shields, and I think it's a moisturizer. And I want to see, it's a primer. If this is the primer I already have, like I said, I don't even remember what I ordered. It is. I already have this, you guys, and I have still a little bit left. It's the primer. I love it. So I got another one. I think it was like $11. Another Murad is the Pore Rescue Skin Smoothie Polish. I have not used this one before, but I wanted to try it. I love Murad. So these two Murad products, the primer and the cleanser, I already have gotten those before, full size, in a FabFitFun box. So because I liked them and enjoyed them, I can order them super duper cheap. Okay, I'm gonna go a little faster. Oh look, another Murad. This is the Rapid Age Spot and Lightening Serum. I have age spots, guys, on my face from riding motorcycle and stuff. I got a whole another, why did I get this? Retinol Youth Serum, Age Reform, Rapid Age. I don't know if this is, I don't know. This is like that, smaller. This is a detox brush. I actually already have one. It's for like dry brushing. So I got it because it was super cheap and it looked really nice, and I like dry brushing my skin. And then I don't really use essential oils, but I've never used them, so these were super cheap and they're really good, like reviews and stuff, so I got two. And one is a headache helper and one is a travel companion. I get motion sickness and stuff. I've never used essential oils. I'm not a pusher. I'm not an MLM person, so I never got into that. I don't really like buying that stuff, honestly. I think it's like a waste, but I'd rather have like good brand stuff, you know? This is a translucent powder. I love translucent powders, so I wanted to try this. And the brand is Ciate. I don't know. I say Ciate. So the FabFitFun box itself is right here. It's this size. So yeah, this box itself, and let's get into it. It's big. It's really heavy. Look at all this stuff. I love stuff. I like a good deal. I'm not one of those people who's like, you know, I'd rather pay the money and get the good stuff. That's just me. And like I said before, I have a leak, so it's not terrible. I probably am actually not going to contact them because it's not that major. I don't know. Usually I'm pretty, I will contact person if I get a spill. So here we go, guys. Here's the box. Look how pretty. Oh my god. I love it. And then we have the pamphlets. You know, I don't really care about that. And then this is from HelloFresh. Yep. $50 gift card. They always give really good gift cards. I've actually used quite a few of them because I got free stuff. Like if I got like a $20 gift card to like different websites, stuff I would never buy, I bought it. I got two dry brushes. This is Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Look how big that is, guys. But you can see the color is black. It's a body scrub, Dude, I haven't bought a body scrub or face scrub or so many things in such a while, and I've gotten to try so much new stuff. This looks Quai Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. Never tried it, excited to. This is one of the ones I got to customize. You get to pick different things you want, and like if you, it's like, do you want this or do you want this? And each one has like a video, and then this is one of the ones I picked. I thought it was super cute, and I was like, you know, I guess they're just like tablespoons, but that's pretty cute. It's just a little extra thing, it's not a big deal. I personally like the skincare care and hair care stuff the most. FabFitFun, like they always do like health and nutrition stuff, like fitness, like jump ropes and yoga mats and all kinds of weird stuff, but I'm actually more in for the beauty products, to be honest. This is kind of cute. What is this? Sunny Life. You know what? I'm gonna need the manual. That's kind of cute. They have recipes in here, and like it's actually like a picnic set, so I can't open it. I didn't want to open it because I know it's gonna be some like giant beach blanket or something, and like it's a really, I love those colors, guys. Like, I'm gonna use this. I am not gonna use this. And this is kind of cute. I guess it's good to promote. It's kind of a cute concept, but the bag is way cuter than the, they definitely, you know, whatever. Everything is not for everybody. This, I believe, is a, wait, this says turn your home into a meditation studio. I could have swore this was a diffuser. It better be a diffuser. It is. Here's the little oil. This is Happy. It looks like orange citrus flavor. And this is the diffuser. I don't own a diffuser, guys. I never jumped on that wagon. But I'm excited to give this a little try. That's it, guys. My camera battery died, and it is what it is. I've been sitting here, I just got done recording and opening all of my packaging and all of my Murad stuff. I'm actually going to give away 2 of those small Murad samples, and the picnic thing, the bag is really cute. I'm not going to use the picnic stuff, so that item. And the water bottle, I need another water bottle, like I need the hole in the head. The $50, you know, what's it called? HelloFresh gift card. And maybe another one, I'm not sure, but those items I don't need. So if you want them, comment below. I'm gonna do like a 24-hour giveaway, so tomorrow I'll send them out, and if you want, you can have them. Just comment your name below. I will randomly have my husband like pick a name and send it to you tomorrow. Just post down below a comment and maybe your Instagram so I can contact you, so I can send it out tomorrow just to get it out of my house, because I'm a minimalist now, guys. I'm in like cleaning mode. I'm gonna definitely use up all of my products. So yeah, 1, 2, oh, also I'm gonna also send you the winner. I had 2 of the dry brushing. If you don't know what dry brushing is, look it up on YouTube. There's lots of videos. So dry brush, picnic set, cup, and 2 Murad products. And just if you want free stuff, just like if you were like my friend and I was like, here, I don't want these ones, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.